This is Lexi. I'm Suzanne Ridgway, and welcome back to my channel. It is Motivation Monday. We're gonna get cleaned up for the day. We got some beds to make, laundry to fold, floors to sweep, clean the dinner table for dinner tonight. We're also going to take care of the kitchen. My husband helped out by getting the dishes washed already, so all I have to do is clean out the sink and put the dry ones away. And he's doing bed sheets this morning while working from home. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. We do giveaways. When we get to 1,200, we're going to issue out two $10 Dollar Tree gift cards. If you're new, you must be subscribed. You must comment you are new, be a U.S. resident. If you comment all the time, you must already be subscribed, a U.S. resident, and have not won in the past 60 days. This helps increase views as well as subscriptions for my channel. Before we get cleaning, look for that subscribe word and smash on it. Don't forget to tap on that bell. Give this video a big thumbs up. The bell's important. Tap on it, personalize it, so you don't miss any of my content. Before we get started in the cleaning, hope you like the intro. We got a lot to do. We're going to get everything cleaned up. It is, however, Motivation Monday. Let's get going. It is Monday motivation. We have to make beds. I need to do a sweep and a mop in Jacqueline's room. Coming off from a weekend. And take care of the couch. I have to take my coffee mug to the kitchen. My husband works from home, so you'll hear him in the background. Then we're going to take care of the dining area. I'm going to take care of the bathroom this morning. I do have laundry to fold today. That is for tomorrow. I'm going to do the bathroom. And the dark room is Isabel's room. Husband's in the kitchen. We're making breakfast. Kids like to eat at school, although Isabel had a little something here this morning. And take care of the countertop as soon as we're done. David's going to help me out with the dishes in the sink. He is doing bed sheets today. Garbage was taken out the other day. I just got to wash the garbage can down. The bottles are going to the bottle plant today, finally. I'm going to take care of the stove top and the counter next to it. And I need to take care of the pile of junk here. And those bottles are going to the bottle plant today, too. Starting in my TV area today, we're going to get cleaned up. And I got to sweep. And then we're going to turn our attention to the left, to the bedroom here in the front, and take care of that room. Hello, everyone. We're going to fold the blanket first. And take care of the TV room. Get it ready for the day. Take care of my tray here. It's a hot mess. Organize my controllers for TV time. And the bottles on it and napkins. Put my headphones where I can reach them when I need them. I'm going to grab the broom in a second. I have a water bottle that I threw to the other room to go to the recycle bag. I'm going to do a quick sweep. The rug I haven't been doing. I've been keeping it under the table so it's done less. Now into Jacqueline's room. This is my tweens room, Jacqueline. They're both at school. We're going to make the bed, fluff out the pillows, and sweep the floor, and organize the desk and dresser. In Jacqueline's room, I'm going to fluff the pillows out first and fix her doll. She only has a couple. Jacqueline's not really into stuffed animals anymore. Isabel, however, still likes their stuffed animals. Make sure all the creases are out of the bed and make the flap at the top. And I always tuck it in on the side by moving the bed from the wall. Now we're sweeping. It's a small room, so it's easily done. Behind the door, always, when you have kids. And then we're going to take care of the dresser top and the desk. So it's clean and organized when Jacqueline comes home from school today. With her ODD, it's very nice to have it organized. It's less stressful for her, less chance of a meltdown. Into the dining area, I have to do a sweep. I changed Gerbil's cage earlier this morning. The cage was soaking wet from the water bottle. The pile of clothes on the floor are going to be done tomorrow, but we have a pile in the basket. I want to fold them first. Then we're going to do a wipe down on the table, and then sweep and put away the bucket of recycles for the gerbil to shred. Into the dining area. I'm going to do the clothes first and take care of the table last. Makes more sense this way. I'm going to fold this pile of laundry. We do laundry every other day. We do have laundry videos, and there is a few in my description box linked for your convenience. And if any links are ever broken or missing part of it, please let me know ASAP, and I will fix the links to the best of my ability and make sure they are working properly for your convenience. I've had a few people let me know, and I really appreciate that, and got them fixed. You can now jump right to my Facebook group and click the join button, and you can go over to my TikTok and click the follow button. I do 3 piles, one from me, Jacqueline, and Isabel. My husband puts away his own clothes. Jacqueline, I like to have the outfits ready for the morning. Put the gerbils for cycles under the table, disappear for a second. Now we're going to sweep around the table and under it. I cleaned the cage before the kids left for school this morning because the little gerbils just soaked her cage and she was miserable. And she likes to be neat and tidy just like her grandma here. Cute little fur ball. We do a lot of photos of her that I post occasionally. The floor's almost done, and I got the mulch off the chairs and into the next area. Before I put the clothes away, we're going to take care of the bathroom and Isabel's room off to the right there. I'm going to start in the bathroom and work my way to my teenager's room, and finally the kitchen, and then we'll wipe the table down last. I was going to mop this morning, but it doesn't really need it. Jacqueline's room I thought was sticky, but it's not. Once I swept it up, it was good. So I'll wait and mop on Wednesday for get it all done. We're going to start here at the bathroom sink, and I grab my spray. This is Oxygen Orange by LA Totally Awesome from the Dollar Tree. It's a big, huge bottle for 32 ounces for $1.25. It is a good buy. I'll spray down the toilet with it and do the bowl with my Comet. And we're going to take care of the sink with the Comet. The Comet, it is lemon fresh. I love the smell of freshly opened Comet. It's 50% more. They also have Ajax, that's 33% more. Whichever one has the more percentage is what I buy. Walmart does have them for under $1. They may be higher now with price rises, but because it's 50% more at the Dollar Tree, I buy it there. I clean with Dollar Tree cleaning products. I use their Comet, which is a name brand, and their LA Totally Awesome. They now have the Oxygen and the 32-ounce bottle for $1.25. That is a great deal, and it works awesome like the title. Now we're on to the toilet, and I put the Comet in the bowl only and scrub it on the outer lip of the seat. I scrub that faces down as you shut it. And then the rest of the toilet, we'll spray it with the Orange Awesome. It's the Oxygen one. And I'll use a white clean cloth with hot water on it to wipe off all the chemicals as I spray it. Get the toilet and cleaned and ready for the day. Now we're going to go to my kids' room. Into my teenager's room. They graduate high school this year. And get the bed made for them because they have a lot of after-school activities and homework. I want to make it as stress-free as possible for them with their big schedule. First thing I'm going to do is get everything off the bed and tidy up the dolls. Get them organized so they're not all over the place. And Isabel can sit down and do their homework before they tackle their computer stuff and their game programming that they do. Get the blanket on. Gotta be careful. The old spikes stick out of this old style frame that we have for it. And make the flap up at the top and get all the creases out. I read somewhere that creases are considered a trend, and no thank you. I'm old school. I like to have the bed looking nice when you come into a room. It makes the room that much cleaner when your bed is made. And all the throws at the end. Once the warmer weather hits, we'll keep 1 or 2 out with the air conditioner and put them into storage for the summer. And take care of the nightstand quickly. And these clothes are out for the week. I'm just going to put them on top of something in the closet so they're not on the floor, and let Isabel know when they get home. I found a sweatshirt that I had to hang up, and I'm going to tidy up the papers over on the TV stand, and then we'll head out to get the laundry. I'm going to fold up the socks real quick and get the undergarments and put Isabel's clothes into their room. I'm going to take an outfit for myself for the day, and then we're going to put away Jacqueline's clothes in her room. As I'm going through, I'm just going to tidy up the drawers a little bit. make sure everything's where it's supposed to be. I'm also looking for the white shirt for the spring concert, which I'll explain in a little while. Jacqueline sings in chorus. I found a couple of shirts that they can use for gym, and I'm taking out clothes they won't wear anymore to go to the donation bin at the church. Get the clothes donated. I'm going through and pairing up slacks with tops for easy access for clothes for Jacqueline, so they don't have to think and they could just pull out an entire outfit and then get ready for school. Then we found the white shirt. That was a pillowcase from 3rd grade that she saved from a sleepover. I pulled some clothes for the donation bin that Jacqueline doesn't want anymore. And this is for the spring concert. They have to wear white on the top, black on the bottom. I want to make sure it's all together and ready for that day. So I went through and looked for the shirt. It's not to be worn until the night of the concert. Isabel will be doing swing, saxophone, flute, band, and jazz band in the spring concert. A very busy child. We picked this up at Target, both the top and the bottom. In store, not online. These will go into the church drop box. Now we're going to do the dinner table, last but not least. And I do run the chairs on the rims because they get really dirty and gross. And then we're going to head to the kitchen. I'm in the kitchen. I'm going to just put away some things on the countertop before we wipe it down with soap and hot water and get it cleaned up for meal prep for our dinner tonight and lunch later on. Just scrub it real hard, just soap and water, nothing fancy. Get it clean, old-fashioned soap and water. That's what they recommend. It's an old countertop, and I do the best I can with it. Now we're going to wash out the sink, again with soap and water. Rinse the little food catchers, and I'll dry them in the dish drain. And then I took a tea towel and wiped out the soap once I rinse it. Getting it all rinsed out. And there's the white washcloth. This is microfiber. It works really well to keep the sink clean and dry. And then we're going to make our way over to the other side with the coffee maker and stove. I'm going to wash the stove down first, the hot plate and under the Dutch oven, and put everything back. I'm going to take care of a pot holder. My husband needs to really pick up the sugar when he spills it because I saw a sweet ant and I got him. Get the microwave. It is the season for sweet ants. You can get ant traps at the Dollar Tree pretty inexpensively. Not a bad buy. My broom keeps getting in the way and falling over. It's really irritating me. But it finally stays up. And something was stuck on the bottom of the stove, so I had to scrub for a couple minutes, but I got it off so it doesn't burn. Now we're back to the other side. And those dishes put away. Blender will go down on the base once everything is done. And the last thing we're going to do in here is sweep up the kitchen floor so nobody steps on anything. And I'm not going to mop today. I'm going to mop Wednesday for get it all done. We're also going to wipe down the garbage can later today after all the food's done. And we're done. I'll wipe down the garbage can at the end of the day. The sink is all cleaned out. My husband's glass is ready to go. The blender I'll put down on the base in a little bit, and the floor swept in here. The dining area is done. I have clothes ready for after my shower. David's doing bed sheets in our room. We did our kids already a few days ago. He's in the shower, and the TV room's done. Both of the bedrooms are done. We did the bathroom beforehand. And the laundry's folded. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for dropping by and hanging out with me today and cleaning with me. I was not motivated at all today. And being able to show you what I do keeps me in check and keeps me going to get my house clean for the day. And I hope I can help you too by keeping your home clean and organized with my videos. I have all kinds of great videos in my description box down below. There's a Decluttering Series current from this year. We did my spring cleaning early. I just have to do one more area in my house, and I haven't had time to do that yet. I'm just waiting for the weather to get a little bit warmer to do it. Before we go, don't forget about the giveaways. Don't forget to say hi in the comment section if you're new and introduce yourself. Don't forget to smash on that subscribe board, tap on that bell, give this video a big thumbs up, and hooray for Motivation Monday.